Hello everyone. I'm just making a quick video here to remind you of the importance of watching the ScreenPal tutorial, just to head yourself up of what the assignment to make a video is about. Where you go is into Course Essentials, click that, come down to Essential Course Documents and click there, and then Important Documents, click here. Now this is where you've been to get your syllabus. If you haven't yet received it, and some of you have not, please come here and get your syllabus. This video is me walking you through and explaining some of the important elements of your syllabus. Then there's the assignment. Again, if you haven't downloaded it already, I recommend you do so. And there is the tutorial on ScreenPal. Now there's another one further down here in our online success tips, time management, PDF, and course calendar, and then there's the ScreenPal tutorial. Please take some time. It's a short one. Just watch how easy it is to make a video using your PowerPoint, your script, and of course your resources. And that's all I really wanted to be able to show you, so please take some time. I find that when students leave things to the last minute, they struggle and get panicked, and I really don't want to see that happen for you. Okay, everybody, I hope that's helpful, and good luck. Bye now.